Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will show you how to use Nano Banana Pro for complex product design tasks. I will demonstrate 4 popular use cases. But before diving into the actual scenarios, I want to mention that I use Nano Banana Pro in Gemini. To do that, I select Create Image and choose Thinking Model. Adding annotation to the image will be the first scenario I will cover. Nano Banana Pro is great at adding text. It generates readable and legible text, not some gibberish. For example, here I have a design of a mobile app for ride-sharing. I want to ask AI to analyze this screen and add annotation explaining why it was designed this way. What I need to do is to attach the image and prompt the tool to do the job. The last part of the prompt is very important, as it will force Banana to draw legible text. And here is what we will get from Nano Banana. Apart from a couple of general comments, all annotations are to the point. Let's do another round with different design. Suppose I have a design of a personal finance app, and I want to make sure it's accessible for users. Here is a prompt I will submit to Banana to validate this design. Note that I'm referencing WCAG here to get specific recommendations. And here is what we will get. This time I've skipped the point about legible and readable text and end up with text annotations that are a bit too small. Knowing what issues your design has is important, but what even more important is fixing the issues. Guess what? Nano Banana can help you with that. I can attach the image and ask Nano Banana to fix the color contrast issue. Nano Banana will analyze this design and introduce required changes. The output looks great from accessibility point of view. Let's have another round of design modification, but this time choose a health tracker. I will ask Nano Banana to add data visualization to the top of the screen, showing my daily progress. And here is the output that the tool generated for me. Interestingly, the tool added a new section to the top of the screen, replacing existing content. Now let's move to the next topic, which is showing design in a context. Suppose I have this mobile design and want to show it in a particular context. I will write a prompt explaining what I want to see, the person using it, the environment, and highlight the device that will be used. Here is the output generated by Banana for me. You can see that the tool used the same ratio of my original image. So, if you want to have a different aspect ratio, you need to mention it in a prompt. Next, I want to show this mobile app for ride-sharing on a billboard. And I will be using the billboard next to the bus stop, where the target audience of the app is. I will attach both images to the input field, ask Banana to take the image 1 with the mobile design, and put it in a particular area of the image 2. And add a slogan to the generated image that will motivate the user to use the app. Here is what we will get. As you can see, it looks fine for the first try, but definitely requires improvement. Finally, I want to show you how to do product localization with Banana. Suppose I have a mobile design for managing smart home device, originally designed for United States, and I want to release it in another country, such as France. Since we are talking about 2 Western countries, all we need to do is to translate the text of this UI from one language to another. For Nano Banana, this will be a simple task, as the tool works well with the text. The French screen looks great. Now let's make the task harder for Banana and ask it to localize the app for another market. I will choose the United Arab Emirates. And the problem is, in this Middle East country, they use right-to-left text order. But Nano Banana handles this perfectly. So that's all. If you have more cases of using Nano Banana for UI design, please share them in the comments. Thank you for watching.